Hello, my name is Wonko Wardrobe. Today I'm going to teach you how to make proper egg fried rice the Chinese way. Step 1, you put the rice in the rice bowl. Step 2, you wash the rice and then you drain it with colander.
Drain? What's she doing? What's she doing? Drain the... Oh my god! You're killing me! Hiya! Draining rice with colander. Hi.
Step 3, add water. You put the rice back to the rice cooker and press play. Enjoy the music. And when the rice done, let cool and put it in the fridge. Don't use it right now. Come back the other day.
Tomorrow.
You crack your eggs. As a Chinese, it is general practice to crack your eggs one-handed, so you have the other hand free for giving yourself a thumb up. Some people say Chinese have to use MSG in egg fried rice. Not true, not true. Chinese people think MSG no good for health, so we all use chicken powder these days. What? You ask what is chicken powder? Anyway, you add a little chicken powder and whip your egg. Do it properly, okay? You have to use chopsticks. Then you put a hell lot of oil in your pan. Turn it on to high heat in your induction stove. When the oil is hot, wet your egg in. Wet it as quickly as possible and wet your egg off to break it into small pieces. Then you add your rice, stir fry it a bit more and add more chicken powder. Put your spring onions in before you play it. Now you have your amazing egg fried rice. No 8-pound, no bullshit. So nice, so good. Eat the fried rice and subscribe my channel.